Have you ever wondered what's the difference between a non-insulated garage door and an insulated garage door? First, these were non-insulated doors. From the side, it is a 2-inch thick door, has a surface on the outside, but on the back side, there's nothing here. It's actually hollow and it echoes, so it's extremely loud when the door is operating. This is a non-insulated door. The sample I'm holding here is also a 2-inch thick door, looks the same from the side, has steel on the outside as well, but internally it has polyurethane insulation and it has a full steel backside as well. So all the insulation is contained inside this door. This is an R18 insulated door. Non-insulated door, insulated door. This operating will be a lot quieter, a lot smoother, and a heck of a lot more efficient, especially in the cold winters.